Hi everybody and welcome. My name is Carrie, for those of you that don't know me, and I own Blue Lemon Restorations. So I've been painting furniture for about 30 years, and I really started when I was a teenager. So I had a room that was kind of pastel colors, and my mom had done a beautiful job. It was like pinks and greens and yellows and blues, and very what I thought was kind of childish, I guess. So around age 14, I bought myself a can of red spray paint, and I proceeded to spray paint as many things in my room red that I could. So I had this whole theme of black, white, and red that I wanted to do. And I think my mom was kind of mortified at the time, but she got used to it, and I really didn't do any damage to anything. But I did spray paint my bed frame. I spray painted picture frames and just little decor pieces that I had, and did a few other things too. But anyway, I've taken that love of painting things into my adult life, and my business is so much fun, and I really want to share with you what I've learned, because you can really save yourself a lot of money by upcycling items instead of tossing them away and buying new ones. The other part of this for me is that it's a great way to make a second income. Those of you that know me know that I'm a single mom, and I've got two now young adult children, one getting ready to enter college and one in college, and I really needed a way to make the ends meet. And everybody was saying, do what you love, do what you love. So that is why I started this business. So I have a great time doing it. The other piece is that it really saves a lot from going into the landfills, and I hope that I can inspire people to take those older discarded pieces, or those pieces that aren't the right color or you think might be the wrong style for you, and try painting them. And it can be very simple. It doesn't have to be anything complicated. And see if you can change that and protect some of the millions and billions actually of pounds of furniture that gets discarded into the landfills every single year. It's sickening. So I hope this helps do one small part in keeping that from happening. So I hope I can inspire you. I'm going to be very detailed in my videos, and I'm going to be very much for the beginner painter, furniture painter, decor painter. I'm going to teach you how to, excuse my dog, she had to sneeze. I'm going to teach you how to pick out your items and how to clean them and prep them, and sometimes you'll even need to do some repairs to them. You can make it as easy or as complex as you want it to be, but I'm going to teach you everything about those techniques. So I hope you like and subscribe, because I really would love it if you would follow my channel so you can see when I have new videos coming out, and I'll be doing all sorts of different things. I'll be releasing my first actual video here soon, and it's going to be a mirror that I'm doing for my very dear friend Christy, and I can't wait to see how this mirror is going to turn out. So anyhow, I hope you like and subscribe again, and I'm looking forward to interacting with all of you, and hope you learned something from me. Okay, I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you soon.